Thank you for contacting 5-Star Auto Body. We are a full-service auto dent repair company. Services we offer include auto body refinishing, auto body repair, automotive detailing, plus much more. Do you need a vehicle painted? We got you covered. Our body shop is open 5 days a week. We will contact you for authorization before starting any additional work on your vehicle, putting you in control. We provide top-quality vehicle service. We are fully capable of repairing any types of collision problems with any type of vehicle. We can repair any dent problem, guaranteed. Do you need a specific part for your vehicle? We can get it for you. Contact us today. We will love to consult with you about your vehicle.